Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special food called spaghetti jollof for my staff lunch. So guys can see the spaghetti jollof here. It's already prepared. It's just a short video. Just want to show you guys what my staff eats for lunch. So guys can see this spaghetti jollof. I use tomato paste. I use carrot, green beans, vegetable oil, crayfish, onion, pepper to make jollof spaghetti for my staff. So guys can see it. It's already done. It's already prepared. This is what my staff eat on Saturday. This spaghetti jollof for my staff. It's just a short video, so you can watch how I take share it for them. I portion it for each of them. Everybody will pick his or her own and eat. So keep watching. Wow, so guys can see this is the way I portion it for them. This for one person. This another one. This another one for one person. So there is a meat on it. So I cut the meat small because we cut it big to not go round to everybody. So I cut it small like this so that everybody will now eat. So it's just a short video. Just want to show you guys how I prepare spaghetti jollof for my staff for lunch. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe, comment, share it to your loved one. We'll meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.